Before buying Multiplier, there are 7 key things you need to know that could make all the difference. If you're on the fence about whether it's the right solution for your needs, keep watching, because I'll walk you through everything you should consider. First off, let's talk about flexibility. Multiplier offers a unique approach compared to other project management tools like Monday.com or Asana. It's built for scalability, meaning it works for both small teams and larger enterprises with more complex workflows. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or part of a growing company, Multiplier adjusts to your needs without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. It simplifies the process without cutting corners on functionality. Next thing to consider, integration. Multiplier connects seamlessly with popular platforms such as Google Workspace, Slack, and Trello, unlike some competitors that require additional plugins or manual data import. This means you spend less time moving between apps and more time working. Integrations are simple, which means no steep learning curve for your team. The third thing is the ease of use. Multiplier has a clean, intuitive user interface that makes project management much easier. While platforms like Jira or ClickUp can feel complicated at first, Multiplier keeps things user-friendly, so you don't need to spend hours learning the software. Its simple drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily manage tasks and teams, making it a solid option for non-technical users too. The fourth thing you need to know is its automation capabilities. Multiplier offers workflow automation that can save you a ton of time. For example, it can automatically assign tasks, send reminders, or even move tasks across projects as needed. This level of automation isn't always available in other platforms without additional tools or integrations, which can add to the cost and complexity. Fifth, there's reporting. Multiplier's reporting tools are top-notch, especially if you're managing a larger team. You can generate detailed reports with just a few clicks, and the insights are actionable, helping you optimize your workflows and improve team productivity. Compared to other software options like Rike or Trello, Multiplier's reporting feature is more robust and straightforward to use. Now let's talk about pricing. Multiplier has competitive pricing compared to many other tools in the market. While some of the more established players like Basecamp or Smartsheet can feel like you're paying for a lot of extra features you may not need, Multiplier offers a pricing structure that suits a wider range of businesses with transparent costs and a free version to try out. The seventh and final thing you should know is the customer support. Multiplier provides excellent support with 24/7 access to customer service through live chat, email, or even phone. This is a huge win, especially when compared to competitors that often leave users frustrated with slow response times or lack of support options. So, if you're on the fence about whether to buy Multiplier, consider these key factors. Its flexibility, ease of use, integrations, automation, and reporting capabilities set it apart from competitors in the project management space. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below. If you want to try out Multiplier yourself and get the best free trial with exclusive benefits, click the link in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to experience its powerful features firsthand.